now this wonderful speaker. But let's start with the door panel. Oh. One there, and let's get this little cover off and see if there's a screw back there too. One lonesome screw behind the cover, which I used and just popped right out with this guy. Right in between the crack and popped it right out. So, there is no other feel, nothing else. So let's grab from the corner and pull. A bunch of them stayed. This one stayed. That came out. That one popped out, and it's right there on the floor. And we're going to go right here. If you go right there, pull this little tab out, another one on the other side, should pop out the whole handle. That's what we want to get at. Now, one harness, and that is all he wrote. I'm not going to do it. Here's how to do it. It's worthless. Look at this thing. It's paper. I'll see if I can put a wire harness in here. Maybe get a bracket, but I bet you this is a perfect speaker for my other video of getting this and popping out a rivet. And then you smack it and you pop the rivet out and drill it out. I'm not doing that because I'm not putting the rivet back in. But I'll put speakers in that I would recommend. It doesn't look, actually, you know what? No, this is the JBL system. Yes, it is. This is the JBL. This is the XLE. So it's got more speakers than you want or need. Maybe even a center channel. Nope, no center channel. So, like it, don't like it, share, don't share. Wish I could be more of help, but I'm not doing that. I'm not taking it out just to show you how to take a rivet out. That's the easy part. Well, that's the hardest part. There you go. So, thanks for watching.